Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be taking a look at the Xiaomi Airdots 2 Pro. This is a more affordable, truly wireless earbuds competitor to the likes of Google, Apple, and Samsung. So let's dive right in. The Airdots Pro 2 comes inside a very nice looking box. Inside we are greeted with the card to download the app for the Xiaomi Air 2, but it didn't work for me, and I'll go over on how I got it to work in a bit. Aside from that, you will also find a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging, and the user guide as well. The case and the earbuds are separately placed. The earbuds have a similar design to the AirPods, but they are bulkier, the stem is thicker and extends past the earbuds. Each earbuds weighs roughly 4.5 grams, so they are really lightweight and are very comfortable to wear. I'm surprised to see two mics in each earbud. One is found on the bottom of the stem and the other is on top of the stem. As for the case, it has a boxy design to match the earbuds, which you may or may not like. The charging case reminds me of my Pixel charging brick, and it blends in well amongst my chargers that if I place it on my power strip, you wouldn't be able to tell that it was a case unless you took a closer look. The case is easy to open just like the AirPods Pro case with one hand, and also won't be opening on their own. It has a nice satisfying click. It is a much thicker case but still compact enough to put in your pocket. The Airdots Pro 2 have a similar setup animation as you get with the AirPods or Samsung Buds when you open the case, but this will only work if you have a Xiaomi phone. The Airdots Pro 2 is using Bluetooth 5.0, so you can expect a stable connection within 60 feet. It also has in-ear detection, and this automatically pauses your music or video when you remove them from your ear. Unlike AirPods, this will work with either Android, iPhones, and Windows computer, and that is pretty awesome. The feature has been working really well with my Android device despite only having one sensor on each earbud compared to two found on AirPods. You can pause them manually by double tapping the right one. If you double tap the left one, it will launch Google Assistant. It doesn't have controls for adjusting the volume or skipping tracks. For that, you will have to rely on your assistant to do it for you or pull out your phone. And so far, the touch controls have been working really well for me. Now let's go ahead and talk about the app. I found an APK file for the app. It's all in Chinese. You can use Google Translate with a different phone and do a real-time scan on it to get a translation. I managed to get it to work and did a software update on it, which was supposed to improve audio latency and optimize the audio play function. I'm not entirely sure how much it improved it because I wasn't having any issues with that. The link to the APK file is in the description if you want to try that out. The Airdots Pro 2 audio quality is good, but it isn't on par with the quality you get on AirPods Pro or the Galaxy Buds Plus. But for the price, they sound great. They get loud and have some decent bass, but I do wish they had just a little more bass. They sound really clear, which is great when watching videos, and they also stay comfortably in my ear. As for the microphone, it sounds clear, and here's a quick microphone test. This is a quick microphone test, and I'm capturing the audio through the Xiaomi Airdots Pro 2. So this is what you will sound like to the other person when you're making a phone call, and this is after I did a software update on it. I should have done one before the update for comparison, but I forgot. So let me know what you think. The total battery life on this is great. The earbuds themselves last a little over 4 hours on a single charge, and the charging case gives it an extra 20 hours, so you're getting a total of 24 hours of battery life, which is not bad. The awesome part is that it has USB-C fast charging, and it can recharge from 0 to 100% in a little over 30 minutes, which is impressive. So overall, I have been enjoying using the Airdots Pro 2. It has good battery life and the ear-in detection has been working flawlessly. The audio is good, though it could have been better, but for the price they are great. So I highly recommend you check it out. Alright, so that does it for today's video. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. Leave a like if you found the video helpful, subscribe for more tech related videos, and I will talk to you on the next one.